Today I will talk about the cardiovascular system. First, cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels and blood. Its primary function is transport nutrients, oxygenated blood to all part of the body and carry deoxygenated blood back to the lungs. Is primary function of the cardiovascular system. Abnormal or injury to any or all part of the cardiovascular system can resulting in serious healthcare issue, common condition that can affect the cardiovascular system include coronary artery disease, heart attack, high blood pressure and stroke. Component of the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system is the responsible for delivering blood to different part of the body. It is consist of the following organs and tissue. First is heart, the muscular pump that force blood around the body. Next, blood vessels. These vessels include arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are the vessel that carry blood away from the heart, and veins are the vessel that bring blood back to the heart, and capillaries are the vessels that branch off from arteries to deliver blood to the all body and tissue. There are two blood circulatory system in the body. First is systemic circulatory system. And second is pulmonary circulatory system. First is systemic circulatory system. The main blood circulatory system that transfers blood to the organ, tissues and cells throughout the body. And the second is pulmonary circulatory system. The circulatory system moves blood between heart to lungs. It is where oxygen enter the blood and carbon dioxide leaves the blood. Structure of the heart. The heart is consist of the four distinct chamber. Two upper chamber called as atrium and two lower chamber is called as the ventricle. A wall or spectrum separate the artery and atrium and ventricle. Walls control the blood within the different blood flow within the different chamber. Blood flow the following path through the heart. First, blood lacking oxygen return from the body and enter the right atrium, means upper right chamber, via the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Then blood flow through the tricuspid valve and enter the right ventricle, means lower right chamber. The right ventricle pump blood through the pulmonary vein and out of the heart via the main pulmonary artery. The blood then flow through the left and right pulmonary arteries into the lungs. Here the process of the breathing drawn oxygen into the blood and remove carbon dioxide. As a result, the blood is now rich in oxygen. The blood return to the heart and flow into the left atrium, means upper left chamber, via four pulmonary veins. Blood flow through the wall and enter the left ventricle, lower left chamber. The left ventricle pump the blood through the aorta valve into the large artery called in the human body, large artery is also known as the aorta. This artery deliver blood to the rest of the body. This artery deliver the blood to the rest of the body. The importance of the heart. The heart pump blood through close vessels to every tissue with the body, and the blood itself then deliver nutrients and oxygen to all cells in the body. Without blood, the cells and tissue could not function at their capacity and could beginning the malfunctioning and diet. Malfunctioning and diet. What is the cardiac cycle? The cardiac cycle consists of the two phases. First phase is diastolic and second phase is systolic. Diastolic means in which the ventricle fill with the blood, and systolic means in which ventricle contract and inject blood. Diastolic means ventricle fill with the blood, and systolic means ventricles contract or inject the blood. Thank you.